Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys an amazing machine. This is our newly launched Plus Tumbler Heat Press. The heat press machine specially made for printing straight, skinny tumblers. And if you have trouble making full and seamless print on 20-ounce and 30-ounce skinny tumblers, this heat press machine can help you out because it comes with this 27 centimeter long tumbler heater, which can wrap the 20-ounce and 30-ounce skinny tumblers tightly, generate even heat and enough pressure to transfer images. And this machine works very fast. It only takes about 90 seconds to print a 30-ounce tumbler. And if you want to print print more water bottles and some ceramic mugs, this machine can also do that for you. You can print 24 centimeter long images onto the water bottles within a diameter of 8.5 centimeters, and for the mugs, you can print two 11-ounce ceramic mugs and two 15-ounce ceramic mugs in just one go, and get this full top to bottom printout results easily and fast. So do you guys want to see how it works and how to print so many products? I will show you next, so keep watching. First, let's see how to use the tumbler heat press. It comes with a long heater and a long handle, two pressure knobs here for ensuring even pressure. And when adjusting the pressure, you need to make sure this edge is parallel to this edge. And here you can see it has two knobs on the front. They are used for adjusting two support boards inside to make them cling to the tumbler heater and to improve the pressure. But usually you just need to fasten these two knobs and don't need to adjust them each time you print. And here is the control box. The switch is on the left side. Turn on the machine. Then press set button and press these two adjusting buttons to set the temperature first. Then press set button again and adjust the printing time. And last, press set button to save the settings and wait for the machine to heat up. Now you know how to use the tumbler heat press. Let's print some items. So do you guys like the printout result? They are so perfectly done with our Plus Tumbler Heat Press. Now you can easily get full and seamless print on the skinny tumblers and print full top to bottom designs on some ceramic mugs and print larger images on more water bottles. So if you want to order this amazing machine right now, you can send email to best@bestsub.net, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel so you won't miss our next update. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.